So the Blue Vivo 11 is kicking today. What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Max back here with a brand new video. And today it's going to be a speed test between the Blue Vivo 11 going up against the Huawei Mate SE. Let me know what you guys think of the video and enjoy. Deuces. So to get things started here, we're going to talk about the CPUs in each device here. So with the Blue Vivo 11 here, we have the MediaTek P, or should I say the Helio P22. It's clocked at 2 GHz. It's an octa-core processor. With the high silicon Kirin 650, that's going to be in the Huawei Mate SE here. It's clocked at 2.36 GHz. It's an octa-core processor as well. The next thing I want to talk about with these devices here is the Geekbench score. So for the Blue Vivo 11 here, I got a multi-core score of 3,365 and a single-core score of 824. And with the Huawei Mate SE here, we got a 927 for the single-core score and a multi-core score of 3,615. And last but not least, let's talk about the AnTuTu benchmark scores here. So with the Blue Vivo 11 here, we got a 75,050, which is considerably less than what you see on the Mate SE, which is at 88,033. All right, so the first application that we're going to open up here is Spotify. So 3, 2, 1. It goes to the Huawei Mate SE there. The next application we're going to open up is YouTube. So 3, 2, 1. I don't know, that looked kind of like a tie to me there. Next application we're going to open up is Play Store. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the Mate SE. Our next application we're going to open up is, let's do Amazon. So 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that went to the Blue Vivo 11. The next application we're going to open up is, let's do Facebook. So 3, 2, 1. The blue took that one there. Next application we're going to open up is Instagram. So 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that goes to the Blue Vivo 11 there. The next app we're going to do is Twitter here. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the Blue Vivo won that one as well. Next application we're going to open up is Bleacher Report. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the Huawei Mate SE there. So the next application we're going to open up here is Google+. So 3, 2, 1. All right, that still went to the Blue Vivo there. The Blue Vivo is a pretty fast phone in case you didn't realize that. Next application we're going to open up is Netflix. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the Blue Vivo 11 there. So we got SoundCloud next. So 3, 2, 1. All right, so that goes to the Huawei Mate SE. And now is a good time to test the actual RAM of the device. So let's go ahead and get that started. Keep in mind, the Blue Vivo 11 has 3 gigs of RAM, as you can see right there. And the Huawei Mate SE has 4 gigs. Spotify, they both had to reload that one there. YouTube, they both had to reload YouTube. Play Store, they both held that in the background. Easy application to hold. Amazon, they both had to reload that one. Best Buy, they both had to be reloaded. Facebook, they both had to reload. Instagram, they both had to reload. The Mate SE held Twitter better. Bleacher Report, both had to reload. Google+, I give it to the Mate SE. Both had to reload. Netflix, they both had to reload. SoundCloud, Temple Run is reloading. Yep, Temple Run had to be reloaded on both of them. And Subway Servers was held by the Mate SE. So when it comes to RAM management here, we had to go ahead and give it to the Huawei Mate SE. I say when it came to the application opening process here, the Blue Vivo 11 did do it a little bit faster in the majority of the apps. Based on that there, I have to declare the winner to be the Huawei Mate SE, because what you really want in a device is just for the application to be exactly where you left it off. Because that way you don't have to wait for it to reload again. You don't have to, get the things set up to how you had them set up before, or try to find a certain picture you were looking at earlier that day. Things like that. That's why people want a device that has more RAM.
If you guys want to see anything in particular here with the Blue Vivo 11 or the Hauwei Mate SE as far as the speed test in the future here, let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to like the video if you haven't liked it already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And if you decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that anytime a video is posted in the future, you can be notified of it immediately. But until then, my name is Max the Rock. I want to say thank you for watching this video, and you have a good day. Deuces.